So now I'm going to explain you what is a pip and how you can use a pip to install any package, library or module in your Python or in your code. So pip install for package install in a Python means when you install a one package or libraries or module, external package module or library in your project. So you have to use pip. So pip, how you can use it? Suppose I already install pandas. So let me just check it. So if already you install any packages, so you want to check, so you have to type pip list, enter. I am working with virtual environment and that virtual environment is already active. That's why it is showing V and V. If you haven't watched that virtual environment video I already made, please go there and watch it. This is an entire libraries already. I installed it. Here you will find it like NumPy as well as pandas as well as some extra uh, libraries you will find out here regex or pytz different type of along with you will find out this version. This is a packages and this is the version. Suppose I want to install any Python package. Suppose I want to install request, so you have to type pip, you install request. Because it's already installed, it will tell requirement already satisfy. So I am already installed. So this is a way to install any package. So for I already installed, so I need to uninstall it. So how you can uninstall any package? So again you have to type pip uninstall request. Request is a Python package which you can make a HTTP request to any website or make a data pipeline for that. So let me uninstall this request or so it will ask you, are you sure you want to just uninstall this Python package? I will type yes and then it is successfully uninstalled. So again, I'm tell you how to install the same package. So this is pip install like earlier request. So it will is start importing this package and now successfully install 2.32.5. So how you can just check it? You can the way you can check it like uh, pip list. The first way you can just check it from here request. This is a request with the version. Otherwise already you have installed the package pip. You can just check pip show request and then enter. You will find out all the information about the request like this. And if you want to just make a requirement.txt file, so I already made requirement.txt file. Let me just delete this and create requirement.txt file. You have to use pip freeze greater than requirements dot txt. Then enter. You will find out requirement.txt file is made along with all the Python libraries we installed like This is the my I'm currently working in virtual environment. In virtual environment, I already installed this type all packages libraries in my virtual environment. That's why it is showing. So currently we stored the request. So here is a request. Let me just find out. Here is a request 89 line and it is the current version of 2.32.5. So we earlier installed the current version of 2.3.5. So this is a way you can just make it with the using of pip. So now how you can just upgrade the package. Suppose currently we install the request. So I want to just upgrade the request. It is in latest version or not. So let me just upgrade it. You have to type pip install hyphen upgrade package name request, then enter. It's already up to date. That's why it is telling like requirement already satisfy. I already installed the Python pandas library. Let me just check it. Pip show pandas for checking. Let me just clear the screen. Pip show. So now it is latest version is 2.3.2. Let me just upgrade this. Pip means you, with the using of this pip command, you can just upgrade it. Pip install hyphen upgrade upgrade pandas. Then enter. Light is starting downloading and upgrading the pandas. So now it is the latest version upgraded successfully. So earlier version is 2.3.2. So now it install also 2.3.2 with some additional requirements gathered. So so this is a way you can use a pip in your local machine to install, uninstall, or check Python libraries install or not. So thank you so much.